You won't believe what Jeep has just done. Introducing the Jeep Wrangler Commando 392, a beast built for the battlefield, not the dealership. This isn't just another SUV, it's a tribute to American veterans and the U.S. Army's adventurous spirit. Limited to just 250 units, the Commando 392 is something you'll probably never own. And here's why that's a game changer. Imagine the ultimate off-roader, crafted from the iconic Wrangler Unlimited, but with a powerful 392 Hemi V8 engine and military-grade enhancements. By the end of this video, you'll understand why this is the Jeep every enthusiast dreams of. And wait until you hear what they're planning for 2026. So, what makes the Commando 392 so special? Built in collaboration with Fox Factory and Stellantis, this Jeep comes with a 3.5-inch lift kit and Fox racing shocks. It's equipped with massive 37-inch Nitto tires for ultimate off-road capability. But here's where things get really interesting. Only one of these Jeeps will be available to civilians, and it's set to be auctioned next May. Every dollar raised will go to the United Service Organizations, directly supporting American military members. Now, let's talk context. The Commando 392 is a nod to the original Jeep's military roots, but with modern flair. It's sprayed in the classic Willys 41 color, with high-clearance steel fenders and custom tube doors. Inside, you've got tan leather seats embroidered with Commando accents. And if you're craving more power, there's an option to add a Whipple supercharger, boosting it to a staggering 705 horsepower. But here's the part that's got everyone talking. It adds nearly $70,000 to the Wrangler 392 price, pushing it well past $100,000. It's a hefty price, but for those who can snag one, it's a serious statement piece. So, what does this mean for the future of off-roading and military-inspired vehicles? The Jeep Wrangler Commando 392 is not just an SUV, it's a symbol of innovation and heritage, bridging the gap between rugged tradition and high-tech performance. Could this pave the way for more exclusive military-themed vehicles in the future? Now, here's my question for you. What feature of the Commando 392 impressed you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you're as excited about groundbreaking automotive news as I am, hit that subscribe button because next week, I'm breaking down another jaw-dropping topic.